Stevens is really the place to go, and our students, international students here, they not only mature themselves and grow very nicely into the leader in the field, but also they make a lot of contribution to our community. The different background students, they actually are, they can bring different perspective and try to really make the classroom very rich with a different culture. And meanwhile, for the research, they have very innovative ideas and can make the research a lot more breakthroughs. We have a nice diversity, and this actually they bring a lot of the perspective to the classroom and also to the research. I am international as well because I recently trained in China and then I went to the Netherlands. Stevens is really my top choice when I joined as a faculty, and I really enjoy the environment and also not only the metropolitan area but also the opportunities over here in New Jersey. And also Stevens really help our international students to be successful.